And just like that, we're back with yet again another update on Onyxcoin. Appreciate your guys' support, for tuning in on a regular day-to-day basis. But let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with the price right now. I'm sure anyone that has some sort of exposure to the crypto space is more than well aware as to, the mega bullish news coming from the president of the United States, who is Donald Trump. Donald Trump has, announced a crypto strategic reserve consisting of XRP, Solana, Cardano, and Bitcoin and Ethereum, which really taken the entire market, towards the upside. And of course, I'm sure no one's really complaining right now. And I think the timing was completely perfect. But as far as XCN is concerned right now, still in the top 200, of course, currently up about 23.2% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, with the price currently sitting at about almost 1.9 cents, also up 15% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative, which of course is amazing to see. In terms of valuation, 616.2 million, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $289 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, what really happened was, as Donald Trump made this tweet, we actually did see obviously the dominance going down below 60% just briefly. And the reason as to why is because, we're talking about a crypto strategic reserve consisting of, altcoins, such as, like I said, the mentioned Cardano, ADA, which of course is Cardano, and also Ethereum, the likes of Bitcoin, Solana, XRP. Again, pivotal moment, which of course is going to have an impact because a lot of capital did flow into some of these altcoins, and you did see the dominance going up. But right now, as of recording this update going into Monday morning, dominance is picking up a little bit yet again. If you're looking at Bitcoin, on the other hand, you guys can see this for yourself. Bitcoin is making its way back in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So of course, we did get back in the 23.6 Fib zone based off of this announcement. Again, not a big surprise. We did see a little bit of a minor pullback down to the likes of 91,000, but Bitcoin is picking up once again going into Monday morning. So as to be expected, a little bit of obviously shakiness, market makers stepping in, the long shorts, being completely wiped out depending on, what the numbers are right now. But I'm sure a lot of, major liquidations occurred due to being a lot of people being short because, the market sentiment before this was still not at the level where you really wanted to see the market sentiment. So that's something I would really want to kind of clear up. But let's really take a look at what's happening with XCN right now because it has been making some nice moves over the last, few days. So over the last, I would say, 24 to 48 hours, just the last 3 days actually, 1.3 cents. If you picked it up at that range, you did see XEN go up 52.2%, and we actually made our way up to that 2 cents price point, exact level that I've been speaking to you guys about, the level that you really want to see XEN breaking out of. Obviously right now, one thing that a lot of people will, completely forget is that, this move that we're seeing right now is due to, this Donald Trump announcement, which again had a major impact on the entire market. Yes, that's correct. So one thing that is something that you really want to realize is that specific thing. So obviously we have seen a little bit of a pullback, but that exact same resistance that was coming in our way about that 1.9 cents mark is going to be coming as a little bit of a level of support for us right now. And of course, we do have some support around the 1.85 cents in case we were unable to hold around this range. So those are some factors we need to keep in mind. But a really nice move, of course, the fact that it actually did react to this move, because over the last, I think, mid-February, I would say late February, as we were closing off the month, you really did see XEN stopped really correlating with Bitcoin or the broader market. So even in a bullish market, you didn't really see XEN moving up, especially in the last month of Feb. Last week of February. So right now, of course, that has changed. We are making some big moves. Obviously, making our way up to that 2.1 cents price point. Got kind of rejected at that range as to be expected. But the level that you really want to be watching out for now is the 2.6 cents mark, because we haven't really been above that range, since February 13th. So I'm talking about being above there. Again, I wouldn't really call the February 13th, level to be above there, because of course, we waked up there and, obviously saw a rejection. You really want to see what happened at the beginning of February, actually bouncing back and forth above that key range in order for us to be getting excited. So right now, obviously, I'm going to be looking out for that. So far, so good. I'm sure a lot of people in the XEN community are happy about this. Do not forget to lock profits this time around. If you do see the price of, XEN making its way back towards yearly highs, do not forget to lock in profits. I cannot stress this enough. One step at a time, of course. Let's see how Bitcoin reacts. Let's see how the dominance reacts. But so far, so good. We'll see you later. This has been Crypto ZX, and peace out.